This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Melinda Marven. Brick ranch on half-acre in popular holiday PT estates, convenient to shopping, medical etc. Fenced Bkyd and huge screened porch, oversized 2-car garage. Beautiful refinished HRD floors throughout except kit, carpeted din and ceramic tile baths, brick fireplace, built-in bookcases, formal living room and dining room. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. No fees or Assoc. No interior stairs, great home for all ages. For more information, review the details below.